Now, kids, as from a recent video that I watched of my own, I realized that the font was a little bit small, so I increased the size, went from 18 to 24, so hopefully that will help. When you go back and watch your videos, at least you can read the question now. It looks like it's big enough just by looking at this right now. Yesterday we did a question just like this. Is that correct? Yeah. Went right to the challenge right away, didn't we?
Yep.
This one's almost identical. The only difference in the challenge one is you had to figure out how far west they were. They said they were 11 miles apart,
Yeah,
right?
how far west she
We had to figure out how far west she ran. So we have Abe and Carlos. They're leaving the library. I'm going to say our library is right here. Okay? And I don't need a coordinate plane to do this because I can use my own little representation of what a block means. So Abe walked 4 blocks north. That's easy enough. I'm just going to show 4 units. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? And 5 blocks west. Now I need to think. West.
That way.
That one.
Right?
Yeah.
Okay, so we need to go 5 to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? So I know that the distance from right here to approximately right here is 5 blocks. Correct?
Yeah.
All right. Now Carlos walked 4 blocks east, so he just did this. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then he also walked 4 blocks north. 1, 2, 3, 4. They ask how far apart they are. And it's a grand total of 9 blocks. We have 4 blocks here. And kids, this will help you out a little bit, especially when you're trying to find like perimeter of objects or different measurements to figure out the total distance, where we can say we're starting here and we're going all the way here, and we don't have an exact measurement, but we do have 4 here. We do have 4 right here and 5 up here, so the grand total is basically 4 plus 5, or 9. 9 blocks is the answer. Anybody do it this way? They're both 4 blocks north. Anybody see right away that they're 4 blocks north?
Yeah.
So you knew they're on the same level that way, and then you could say 4 blocks one way, 5 blocks the other way, for a grand total of 9 blocks. Might be a little bit.
What's a Dyson?
In what quadrant would you find point -2, 1? -2, 1. What quadrant? Yeah? It is. It's quadrant 2. Kids, X comes before Y. X is first. Talked about it yesterday. We have to walk to the elevator before we go up or down. Okay, X is the horizontal. We have to walk 2 to the left, and then we go going up 1 floor. Okay, so it would be in quadrant number 2. All right. This video will be available if you need to go back and watch it, and hopefully today you'll actually be able to see